Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to explain about the project title Fake Profile Detection Using Machine Learning Techniques. Before diving into the execution, let me give you an overview of the project. Fake profile detection involves identifying fraudulent or inauthentic profiles on social media platforms or other online services. Its purpose is to differentiate between genuine user accounts and fake ones, often created for malicious activities like spamming, phishing, spreading misinformation, or manipulating public opinion. This detection is vital for upholding the security, trust, and integrity of online platforms. By ensuring that users engage with authentic accounts, we uphold data quality for businesses and researchers, thus creating a safer and more dependable online environment. Traditional fake profile detection methods like rule based systems, heuristic techniques, and basic machine learning models such as logistic regression or decision trees have limitations. They struggle with scalability, adaptability to new fake profiles, lower accuracy in capturing complex patterns, and require frequent manual updates, making them less effective in dynamic online environments. The proposed system enhances fake profile detection by using advanced machine learning algorithms like ANN, Artificial Neural Network, Random Forest, XGBoost, Extreme Gradient Boosting, LSTM, Long Short Term Memory, CNN, Convolutional Neural Network, and a voting classifier has an extension. It incorporates exploratory data analysis and feature selection to improve performance, ensuring scalability, adaptability, and accuracy for maintaining platform integrity and security in dynamic online environments. The initiative increases the trustworthiness of online interactions, which benefits users, businesses, researchers, and social media platforms. By decreasing fraudulent profiles, platforms can improve integrity and trust. Businesses may acquire correct user data for marketing purposes, researchers can obtain trustworthy data, and users benefit from enhanced security and improved interactions. In this project, we have integrated Flask for building the web application to deploy our project. Flask, a lightweight web framework for Python, is integrated to create the user friendly interface. It handles user authentication with SQLite 3 has the database, allowing sign up and sign in. Flask enables users to upload data for analysis, routing requests to backend functions seamlessly. This integration makes the project accessible via a web browser, enhancing usability and accessibility. To implement this project, we need software and hardware requirements. Software requirements of the project are application is Anaconda, primary language is Python, front-end framework is Flask, back-end framework is Jupyter Notebook, database is SQLite 3, front-end technologies used in the project are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap 4. Hardware requirements of the project are operating system of Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, hard disk of 25 GB and above. Algorithms used. These are the algorithms built in the project for fake profile detection. We have built all these algorithms to compare the performance with different evaluation metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and FN score. And here the voting classifier is the algorithm which we have proposed to further improve the performance. And these are the algorithms which are proposed in the base paper by the author, which are ANN, Artificial Neural Network, Random Forest, XGBoost, Extreme Gradient Boosting, LSTM, Long Short Term Memory, and CNN, Convolutional Neural Network. And we identified that the voting classifier outperformed the other algorithms, and that is the reason we have deployed it in the front end. Now let us execute the project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder. which contains the project source code files. Here, this is the dataset folder. In this project, we have utilized the fuses and uses dataset. So these are the files. Let us open the first one, fuses. So here, these are the different attributes: ID, name, screen name, statuses count, followers count, friends count, favorites count, listed count, created at, URL, language, time zone, location, default profile image, geographic enabled, profile image URL, and many more. So all these attributes are used to train the models, and by using these attributes, we will detect whether the profile is fake or not. Now close this data. Let us open the uses file. So here also we have the same attributes, that is ID, name, screen name, statuses count, followers count, friends, favorites count, etc. And all these attributes are used to detect whether the profile is fake or genuine. So this data is used to train the models. Now close this data. This is the static folder. This folder consists of files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. This is the templates folder. This folder contains all the HTML pages used in the project. It typically includes files like index.html, about.html, and more, which represent different pages of the website. This is app.py file. This .py file contains the information related to front-end logic. It includes code written in Python that handles server-side operations such as processing user requests, interacting with the database, and generating dynamic content to be rendered in the HTML templates. This is notebook.ipynb file. This is a Jupyter notebook file which contains a combination of code, graphs, and outputs all in one place. It allows users to write and execute code in individual cells, making it a popular choice for data science. This is signup.db file. This file is the database file used to store user information. And here, this is the model folder which contains algorithm information which will be loaded into the project code during runtime. And here, this is the test cases. So these are the test cases which we will use during the execution. So here we are having the attributes which are statuses count, followers count, friends count, favorites count, language number, listed count, geo enabled, profile use background image, and here this is the target column. So here 0 is genuine profile detected and 1 is fake profile detected. So these are the test cases which we will use during the execution. Now close this. So first we need to copy the path of the code folder from the address bar of the file explorer. So here I'm copying the path. Now open the Anaconda prompt. Use the cd command followed by a space and paste the copied path and hit enter. This command is used to change the current directory to the code folder's path. Now compile the app.py file using the command python space app.py and hit enter. This command is used to perform a runtime check for any syntax errors or logical issues. After running the app.py file, the Flask framework will host the application locally at the default address, localhost, which is this, and port, which is this. Now copy this local link provided by the Flask framework. I'm copying the link and paste this copied link into any web browser. I usually prefer Google Chrome and hit enter. So the home page of the project is displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Flask framework. If we are new users, we need to register first. So click on sign up link here. So here we need to enter all these details to register. But I have already registered. So click on sign in. So here we need to enter the username and the password, which are static, and then click on sign in button. We have logged in successfully and we are redirected to the production page. So here we need to enter all these attributes to detect whether the profile is a genuine profile or a fake profile. Before entering the attributes, let us understand what the attributes are. So here the first one is statuses count. So statuses count represents the number of posts or tweets made by the user. Fake profiles may have an unusually low number of posts or an irregular posting pattern. Coming to the next one, which is followers count. The count of followers the user has. Fake profiles may exhibit an unusually high number of followers relative to their activity level. Friends count, the number of accounts the user is following. Fake profiles might follow a large number of accounts to appear more legitimate. Favorites count. This attribute indicates the number of tweets or posts the user has favorited or liked. Unusual behavior or patterns in favoriting activity could be indicative of fake profiles. Language number. This could be a numerical representation of language used by the user in their profile and post. Different languages may be associated with different regions or demographics, and anomalies in language usage could be flags for fake profile. Listed count. The count of times the user has been listed by other users. High listing counts might indicate a legitimate profile, while low or non existent counts could be suspicious. Geolocation enabled, an indicator of whether the user has geolocation enabled. Fake profiles may disable geolocation to hide their true location. Profile use background image, an indicator of whether the user uses a background image for their profile. Fake profiles may not customize their profiles or may use default settings to appear more generic. So here we need to enter the value of these attributes, and after entering the values, the application will detect whether the profile is genuine or fake. Now let us enter the attributes from the test cases which I have showed you during the explanation of the code folder. So here, these are the test cases. From this, we will enter the values. So here, let us enter the first case. So the statuses count is 4,287. Followers count is 312. Friends count is 628. Favorites count is 1,893. Language number is 5. Listed count is 2. Geolocation is 1. It means not enabled. So no. Profile use background image is also 1. That is no. So here I have entered all the values. Now click on submit button. So here we can see we got the result, that is genuine profile detected. So it is a genuine profile from the attributes which we have entered. Now let us enter another set of attributes. So here again from the test cases, let us enter the attributes. So this time let us enter this set of attributes. So the statuses count is 3, followers count is 2, friends count is 42, favorites count is 0, language number is 5, listed count is 0, geolocation is 0, it means enabled, so yes. Profile use background is 1, it means no. So here I have entered all the values. Statuses count is 3, followers count is 2, friends count is 42, favorites count is 0, language number is 5, listed count is 0, geolocation enabled is yes, profile use background image no. So there is no background image. Now click on submit button. So here we can see the result, that is fake profile detected. So it is a fake profile based on the attributes which we have entered. Now let us enter on the set of attributes to check whether the account is fake or genuine. So again from the test cases I'm entering the values. Let us enter the set of attributes. Statuses count is 19, followers count is 13, friends count is 202, favorite count is 0, language number is 5, listed count is 0, geolocation enabled is 0, it means yes, and profile use background is 1, that is no. So here I have entered all the values. Now click on submit button. So here again we can see the result, that is fake profile detected. So it is a fake profile based on the attributes which we have given. Let us enter on the set of attributes. Let us enter the attributes from the data itself, from the test cases, that is from the test cases. So let us enter this set of attributes. So the statuses count is 16064, followers count is 41442, friends count is 4967, favorites count is 3079, language count is 5, listed count is 80, geolocation enabled is 0, that is yes, profile use background image is 1, it means no. Now click on submit button. So here we can see the result, that is genuine profile detected. So it is a genuine profile based on the attributes which we have entered. So in this way, just by entering the attributes, we can detect whether the profile is fake or genuine. Now click on logout link here. So in this project, we have built a system to detect whether the profile is fake or genuine based on the attributes which we have entered. And we have utilized various algorithms in which the voting classifier outperformed the other algorithms, and that is the reason we have deployed it in the front end.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.